something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's review. Charlotte Tilbury recently came out with the Hot Lips 2 lipsticks. They have fully refillable new lipstick cases and they look so adorable. 2 days ago, there was a super special pre-sale online, and of course I had to go online and purchase them. Now, Charlotte Tilbury came out with 11 lipstick shades. These are all inspired by really famous women that have truly inspired Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury created these lipstick shades with the Women for Women International Foundation to inspire women, and the entire collection itself is super gorgeous and beautiful, and it just came in the mail right now. So I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys. Oh, I've been waiting for these for the past 2 days, so when they were announced, I just thought they were the most beautiful shades ever, so I really can't wait to try them on. So usually, just like normal, Charlotte Tilbury's products come in beautiful casing, and we have the receipt, and inside we have the lipstick shades. Now, I purchased 4 of the 11. Now, there's 5 different types of refillable cases, but I really only wanted to keep it to 4. They do retail for $37 each, and I did purchase them myself. And here they are. Oh, even the casing is actually very beautiful. Let's see. So I got the 4 refillable cases. I have Amazing Amel, which is inspired by Amel Clooney. So excited for this color. It looked absolutely gorgeous on the Instagram page. I also got the JK Magic, which is inspired by, of course, JK Rowling and Harry Potter, one of my favorite books ever. So of course I'm going to pick this shade up. And then we have Dancefloor Princess. Let's see who this one is inspired by. Let me see here. Let's go onto the website.
A few moments later.
Okay, so Dancefloor Princess is a dreamy, pretty, cool girl pink lipstick in homage of Kylie Minogue. And I also got the shade Glowing Jen, which is inspired by Jennifer Aniston. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox these. First off, we have JK Magic. And let's see. Let's break the packaging here, like so. Oh, this is interesting. It doesn't open like a normal case. It's just kind of a sliding out type of packaging. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Wow. Just like me, to be amazed by the packaging before I even look at the actual product itself. Oh, very pretty. It's kind of like a nude type of pink. So this is JK Magic. Oh, so creamy. Charlotte Tilbury's formulas for her lipsticks are out of this world insane. They are so beautiful, just the perfect lipstick. If I ever create lipsticks, this is a kind of formula that I would want to have. Next up, we have the Amazing Amel. I really am looking forward to this. I haven't seen a red like this ever, but this is what the case looks like. Really beautiful. Oh, so gorgeous. And then, oh my god, that is so pretty. All right, let's do a swatch. Oh, so beautiful. Next up, we have Glowing Jen. Kind of in a leopard print. And this is also kind of a darker type of nude. Very, very pretty. All of these are super wearable. The formulas are very creamy. Okay, and last but not least, I have Dancefloor Princess. This is also in a red leopard print type of packaging. So pretty. And they do have some weight to them, so they're quite luxurious in the way they feel. Ooh, I like this one. It's kind of like a nude pink. Really, really pretty. Okay, so let's apply these onto my lips and I'll show you exactly what they look like. All right, so I pulled you guys closer. Now I am gonna line my lips with the Pillow Talk lip liner. I feel like I use this lip liner with almost every single one of my lipsticks. It just goes so well with everything. Now that I have my lips filled in, we are going to start off with Amazing ML. Of course, I'm going to start off with this one first. It's just such a gorgeous red. Oh my goodness, imagine this color going out for dinner or for kind of like a date night. Oh, I really love this color. It's so beautiful. It's very wearable as well. It's not the kind of red that's kind of like in your face. It's very sophisticated. Love it. It's really pretty. Next up, we have JK Magic. I think out of all of the casing, I am in love with this one the most. It's just such a pretty kind of packaging with stars all over it. That's so beautiful. Okay, so this is JK Magic. It's a very pretty wearable nude type of pink. You could definitely wear this every single day. Very beautiful. Next up we have Dancefloor Princess. This one is inspired by Kylie Minogue. And this packaging is also really beautiful. This one's kind of like a frosted pink shade. This shade kind of feels like a Your Lips But Better shade. Really also very, very pretty. And finally we have Glowing Jen. This is the beautiful leopard print. This is more of a darker nude. Oh, this is also so pretty. Very glowy. And that's all of the 4 shades that I got. I feel like they are absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to wear them out. I feel like each and every one can be worn in a different way. I love all of these. They're so pretty. If I did have to choose, I would say out of the nudes, I really loved the JK Magic. I feel like you could wear this every single day. And I love the Amazing ML. I feel like that red I don't have in my collection. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's very wearable and it's a red that I would actually wear. Now these are refillable cases, so you can definitely mix and match them with any kind of lipstick shade that you like, which is pretty cool. But other than that, I think these are absolutely gorgeous. I highly recommend them for you guys. Now, other than the packaging being absolutely stunning, the formula of the actual lipsticks themselves are so gorgeous. They apply on so beautifully. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you will check out these lipsticks. They are absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week.